General Knowledge, Chapter number 15, Land of the Rising Sun. The Chinese were the first to mention Japan is one of their texts. To people in China, the sun rose from the direction where Japan is located. So they call the country the land of the rising sun. Here we can see the two columns given and that we shall match according to the Japan's interesting facts. First one, Japan has more than 6,850 islands. We can see the Japan map over here and we can see there lots of regions, islands are being formed to make a one Japan. Right. Next, Japan's four main islands cover. Japan is having four main cities. So, what are those? But those four lands are covering 97% of its total land. We can see the four main cities in the highlighted colors. Right. Next, the Japanese. In Japanese, the country name is. In the Japanese language, what is the country name? Japan is called. It is Nippon or Nihon. Next, the currency is called is yen. Next, the national flower is. What is the national flower of the country? Cherry blossom. We can see the flower, a beautiful flower over here. Next, Japanese wrestling is called. What is this Japanese wrestlers called? Sumo. Next, the Japanese art of paper folding is called origami. The paper folding art, what is there? It's called as origami. Next, the capital is, the Japan's capital city is Tokyo, a beautiful city, children. Next, the main port city in Japan is. What is this main port called? That is Osaka. In Osaka city, the main airport, Japan's airport is. It's almost like an island only. You can see the picture. Right. What's next? The popular Japanese food. The popular Japanese food is sushi. Okay, let us mark all the match the following. Mark with the number. Right, next chapter, General Knowledge, chapter number 16, Disappearing Animals. So we have here so many animals day by day, the year after decade after decade, we cannot see those animals surviving. So what are those animals? And these are some animals given here, the picture and the spellings are also given. One of the spelling out of that name has been removed. To find out now what is that animal's name. Just putting word of one letter, we can get the name of the animal. The first one, here we have something called as critically endangered and vulnerable. It means that critically endangered means these species are available very less and they are being disappearing. Their generation is keep on minusing to a very dangerous position. So the first one, the Chinese pangolin. Second, Celebes crested macquarie. Third, Orphan salamander. Fourth, Tristan albatross. Siberian crane. Sixth, red-vented cocktoad. Next, seventh, Balkan Lynx, blue-throated macaw. Then Indian vulture. 10th, Dama gazelia. 11th, sockeye salmon. That is salmon fish. It's available in very deep sea. Next, cyclone coral.